So I am on my screen now और सबसे पहले I will type a URL 777hosting.in and this is the tool I am going to use to create this project. And they have literally everything to create your project faster, from hosting to domain, everything. And personally I like their pricing जो कि है सिर्फ 129 रुपीज़ पर मंथ, और भाई दोस्त के लिए मैं 129 रुपये तो खर्च कर ही सकता हूँ। एंड भाई इस 129 रुपये के प्लान में मुझे 999 का डोमेन भी मिल रहा है, वाह। एंड दे हैव ऑल्सो डिफरेंट प्लान जो कि तुम चेकआउट कर सकते हो, एंड ईच प्लान हैव डिफरेंट बेनिफिट्स। और भाई हाँ, फ्री ट्रायल भी है तो स्किप मत करना वीडियो, ठीक है। सो नाउ लेट्स गो टू देयर AI वेबसाइट बिल्डर एंड दे हैव फ्री ट्रायल ऑफ 30 days एंड इट सेज बिल्ड योर वर्डप्रेस वेबसाइट इन सेकेंड्स। और भाई ये टैगलाइन 100% ट्रू है, मैंने बहुत बार यूज किया है, तो मैं दिखाता हूँ तुम्हें कैसे। So click on try for free, enter your details and hit checkout. Then go to services and then select AI website builder. And it will take you to the page where there is an option called login to AI website builder. And then click on that, create your first instance, select create new WordPress instance. और हाँ, अगर तुम्हारे पास कोई पुरानी WordPress वेबसाइट है उसे भी तुम माइग्रेट कर सकते हो within 2 minutes using this option. But for now, I'm going to create a new WordPress instance. And now give it your website name. And it will start initializing your project, and after that it will ask you to describe your website and then just enter what you want to do on this website. Like here I want to sell products, then select your site tone, select your goals and done. It will start generating design options based on your requirement. Select one design, I personally like this one, and after selecting design it will start creating your website, and within seconds a fully working website is ready. Woohoo! And now I just need to update images and text content, but you don't have to do it manually because they have tons of AI tools like AI editor where I just need to tell AI that I want to update this content and it will update the text according to my need. And for images they have AI image generator where I just need to describe what image I want and boom, updated. And if you stuck somewhere, there is walkthrough AI assistant which will help you throughout the building process of the website. You just need to ask something and it will guide you step by step. They have design library with which you can customize your design and styles, and you can easily manage all your plugins with their beautiful dashboard. और जब तक मैं images और text change करता हूँ, तब तक let's talk about all the features of this amazing platform. First feature is that if you have existing WordPress website, you can migrate it to 777 hosting within 5 minutes and start using their AI tools. You can see all the insights like speed and manage all the plugins directly from their beautiful dashboard. They have AI editor, AI image generator, automatic AI chatbot and WhatsApp chat enabled in the platform, तो तुम्हें अलग से कुछ भी इंटीग्रेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. They have tagging benefits and also you can clear cache in case your previous website getting slow due to any reason. They have different plans for every kind of developers. I personally like this one, which is cheaper than a pizza. And if you want to try it, you can use my promo code developer Rahul to get 10% flat discount. और हाँ, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. एंड नाउ मेरी वेबसाइट का सारा कंटेंट अपडेट हो गया है और मैंने प्रो प्लान भी परचेज कर लिया है. सो लेट्स होस्ट दिस वेबसाइट. सो होस्टिंग इज वेरी सिंपल. If you don't have any domain, you can purchase directly from 777hosting.in, which is way cheaper than other domain providers. And for those जिनके पास already domain है जैसे कि मैं, you just need to copy and paste DNS to your existing domain provider. And मैंने copy कर दिया and with that मेरी website 5 मिनट में ready हो गई. Thanks to all the AI tools provided by 777hosting.in, and it saved me lot of time. So guys, give it a try. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. एंड लाइक कर दो, सब्सक्राइब कर दो, शेयर कर दो अपने दोस्तों को ताकि वो भी टाइम बचा सके.